Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn more and less. Do you know what is more and less? More means ज़्यादा. More means ज़्यादा और less means कम. Okay? Less means कम. More यानी ज़्यादा. More less. More less. Okay? जिसमें ज़्यादा चीज़ें होती हैं उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? मोर. और जिसमें कम चीज़ें होती हैं उसमें क्या कहेंगे? लेस. ओके. नाउ कैन यू सी टू टब्स? हाँ, ओके. ओके, इसमें आपको बॉल्स दिख रहे हैं. क्या है इसमें? बॉल्स. ओके, नाउ टेल मी इन विच टब balls are more? Okay, can you understand? Okay, look at here. This is green tub and this is yellow tub, right? इसमें देखो ज़्यादा है ना, इसमें ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं. तो किस में ज़्यादा है, किस में मोर है? ग्रीन टब में. ग्रीन टब में मोर बॉल्स है और येलो में लेस. ओके, येलो में लेस. कम है ना इसमें सिर्फ 3 है. तो क्या होगा? ये लेस. और इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा है तो ये मोर. ओके ना. अब देखो मैंने टब की पोजीशन चेंज कर दी है. ओके, अब हम पहले काउंटिंग करेंगे. देखेंगे कि किस टब में बॉल्स ज़्यादा है. ओके, पहले हम येलो टब में काउंटिंग करेंगे. येलो में कितने हैं? 1, 2 एंड 3. कितने बॉल्स हैं? 3. और ग्रीन में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ग्रीन में कितने हैं? 7 बॉल्स हैं. तो ज़्यादा किस में हुए? ग्रीन टब में. ओके, तो ये हुआ मोर और ये लेस. मोर लेस. नाउ लुक एट हियर. व्हाट आर दिस? These are spoons. These are spoons. ओके, आप खाते हो ना इससे? आइसक्रीम खाते हो और क्या क्या खाते हो? सब चीज़ें खाते हो ना आप इससे? ओके. Okay, now tell me which side more spoons are there? चलो पहले हम काउंट करेंगे. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. ये साइड कितनी स्पून्स है? 4. एंड दिस साइड 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6. दिस साइड how many spoons are there? 6. Okay. 4 and 6. Now tell me which side more spoons are there? Yes, this side. 4 से 6 ज़्यादा हुए ना, तो इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? More. And this side less spoons are there. Okay. Now I will add 1 spoon here, and I will remove 2 spoons from here. Now tell me which side spoons are more? This side. दिख रही है ना? ज़्यादा दिख रही है ना? और this side less spoons are there. अभी काउंट करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side how many spoons are there? 5. And this side 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 spoons are there. So this side less spoons and this side more spoons. Okay. These are pencils. Okay. These are pencils. अभी देखो यहाँ पे कितनी है? यहाँ पे ज़्यादा पेंसिल्स दिख रही है और यहाँ पे कम दिख रही है ना, है ना? तो हम इसको क्या कहेंगे? मोर. और इसे क्या कहेंगे? लेस. ओके. दिस साइड more pencils are there and this side less pencils are there. Okay, now we will take another example. Now look at here. What are these? These are beads. These are beads. Okay. Now tell me, in which side beads are more? This side. Yes, very good. इस साइड beads ज्यादा है ना, तो हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? More. And this side less beads are there. Okay. So this side less beads and this side more beads. Okay. More, less. Now these are chopsticks. Okay. These are chopsticks. Okay. ये साइड देखो कितनी ज्यादा है ना, और this side only 2 chopsticks are there. Okay. So these are more and these are less. These are more chopsticks and these are less chopsticks. Okay. Understand? More and less. ज्यादा चीजों को हम क्या बोलेंगे? More. और कम होगी तो उसे हम less. Okay. More, less. Understand?
Okay. अब आपको पता चला ना more and less. Okay. Now look at here. Circle the things that are more. यहाँ पर देखो कुछ डिफरेंट पिक्चर है ना, वहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? जो भी more things है वहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. ओके. नाउ लुक एट हियर. व्हाट आर these? What are these? These are flowers. These are flowers. Okay. And which side have more things? Which side have more things? First count with me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 4 flowers. Okay. And this side count again. 1 and 2. Or this side only 2 flowers. Okay. So which side have more things? This side or this side? Which side more? This side. Okay. So this side circle on it. Okay. Then next, what are these? What are these? These are ants. What are these? These are ants. Okay. First count the ants. Okay. 1, 2. This side only 2. And this side again count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. कितने हुए? 4 ants. Okay. So which side have more things? This side or this side? Which side have more things? This side. Okay. So circle on it. Okay. Then next, what are these? What are these? These are monkeys. What are these? These are monkeys. Okay. Or which side have more things? First count. 1, 2 and 3. कितने हुए? 3. Okay. And this side again count. 1, 2. This side only 2 monkeys. Okay. Which side have more things? This side have more things. This side. This side कितने monkeys है? 3 है. Okay. Then circle on it. Okay. Then next, what are these? What are these? These are frogs. And what is this? This is also frogs. Okay. So which side have more things? Okay. Then first count with me. 1. This side 1. Okay. And this side again count. 1, 2, 3. This side कितने frogs है? 3. Okay. तो which side have more things? Which side have more things? This side. This side कितने फ्रॉक्स है? 3. ओके, तो सर्कल ऑन इट. ओके, ओके. देन नेक्स्ट, what are these? What are these? These are balloons. What are these? These are balloons. And which side have more things? First count with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side 5 balloons, and this side again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side 7 balloons. Okay, so which side have more things? This side or this side? This side. Okay, then circle on it. Okay, then next. Okay, then next, what are these? What are these? These are carrots. What are these? These are carrots. And which side have more things? First count 1, 2. This side 2 carrots, and this side again count 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 4 carrots. Okay, again which side have more things? This side or this side? This side. Okay, now circle on it. Okay, bye bye kids.